Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to change language on WhatsApp web. So let's get started. So if you want to change language on WhatsApp web, then what you have to do is first of all open up your WhatsApp application. After opening up your WhatsApp application, now to change your language, what you have to do is simply tap on the settings icon which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. After tapping on that, inside your general, you will find language option. So below that, you will find the default language. Now what you can do is just simply tap on that and then change it to any preferred language that you want. So you simply select a language. For example, I'll just select Chinese language. So if you just type in C in your keyboard, it will take you to the C section of those languages. So here you can see guys, now I can just simply select a language that I want to change to. After selecting the language, now what you can do is just simply tap on OK. And after tapping on OK, just refresh your WhatsApp and here you can see guys the language has been changed. So in this way you can also change your default language on WhatsApp. So that's it guys, this is how to change language on WhatsApp web. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.